Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best cervical support pillow in 2019. To see the price and more information about these cervical support pillow, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Decor Cervical Support Pillow.
There are many factors that contribute to a good night's sleep, and your pillow is definitely one of them. If you find you're waking up with a stiff neck, have recently had an injury such as whiplash, or suffer from other conditions affecting the cervical spine and musculature, it may be time to switch from a soft, unsupportive pillow to an orthopedic cervical support pillow. Our pillows are designed to help correct and maintain or accommodate cervical posture during sleep. A firm, supportive pillow provides resistive feedback to the cervical spine to help reestablish or maintain the proper curvature of the neck, while an accommodative pillow will provide mild support and conform to the neck's current posture. We offer a variety of fiber-filled and foam support pillows. Whether you are new to cervical support pillows or have been sleeping on one for years, we have exactly what you need. Before you start to browse our pillows, there are some things to consider. When deciding which Core Products pillow is best for you, it is important to consider the amount of correction and support you want or need. If you're looking for an accommodative pillow that will conform to your current neck posture and offer mild support, you should consider our Core Water Pillow or one of our memory foam pillows. If you seek firm support to help correct your cervical curve, consider pillows such as our Tri-Core, D-Core, Double Core Select, or Cerviline. If you are looking for a supportive pillow with an ergonomic twist that supports both the cervical and upper spine, the Therapeutica Sleeping Pillow would be a great choice. If you are new to cervical support pillows, it is important to know that there may be an adjustment period as you become accustomed to the firm support and correction of your new pillow. We recommend starting with a gentle cervical correction and gradually increase to a pillow with more support, if the extra correction and support is needed. Please note, switching to a cervical support pillow from a standard sleeping pillow can take some time to get used to. We suggest gradually phasing in a cervical support pillow, alternating with your previous pillow while your body adjusts. This should only be needed until your head and neck adjust to the support of a cervical pillow. After the adjustment period, your new pillow will become more comfortable to sleep on. If you have further questions about what pillow might be best for you, our customer service team would be happy to discuss your options.
At number 4. We have the Sleep Yoga Dual Position Neck Pillow. Yoga is beneficial to the body as it keeps it flexible, restored, active and relaxed, thus improving your posture. The Sleep Yoga Dual Position Neck Pillow adopts the very concepts and benefits of yoga into its design and functionality to ensure that a good night's sleep benefits you after a hectic day. Produced by a chiropractor, an industrial designer and a sleep product veteran, every angle and detail of the sleeping postures has been factored to deliver a customer comfort-oriented product. It features 2 designs, medium soft for young sleepers and medium stiff for adults and those looking for stronger support. Its ergonomic design has factored both adults and the young, high-quality patented, hypoallergenic, biodegradable filling materials, approved by necessary authorities in the US have been used. The fabric is also soft and washing machine safe. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Mediflow Fibre Cervical Support Pillow. This is the first and the only water-based pillow in the list, deservedly earning itself the 3rd spot. It ranked best in a clinical study at the Johns Hopkins University. In the study, it ranked best in the following subcategories: how long subjects took to fall asleep, how few times they woke up during the night, how long it took them to go back to sleep, perception of sleep quality, and finally relief of neck pain. For all of you who hate everything polysynthetic, it is made of 100% machine washable cotton material. It has been metallically designed and tested to provide you with comfort and to relieve and avoid neck pains. What more can you ask for? Order one now and shame this creature called neck pain. At number 2. We have the Tri-Core Cervical Support Pillow. For the crazy sleepers with dozens of unique sleeping positions, Here is a product designed meticulously to try and assist you in your sleeping escapades. The Trike pillow is versatile and can use for a litany of activities, be it sitting outdoors, support while driving, or even support seated on the couch or floor. It features a research-oriented Trike cervical support system. The system aids in supporting the head in the correct position and the neck, and a cradle to release the tense muscles and free you from pain, offering comfort, no matter your sleeping position. Furthermore, it comes in 3 size options, one for the kids, the other for young teens, and the last one for adults. Lastly, at number 1. We have the CoopHome Good Cervical Support Pillow. Well, its long title matches its performance and position in our list. One of the best-seller cervical pillow out there. Its main feature is its adjustability, coupled with other features found in all the others. It's time you decided to spend the rest of your life on the top lane. Comfort, adjustable, whether you are a skimpy little lad or a huge ballerina, CoopHome Good Cervical Support Pillow got you sorted. Its size can be easily customized to fit all sizes and shapes. According to your sleeping position, backside, stomach, or even changing, you can adjust the files to accommodate your needs. It also features a hypoallergenic and dust mite bedbug bacteria resistant fabric. It has high flow and breathable covers that improve your breathing, keeping you comfortable and cool all night. Also, its scientific design cradles the neck and support the head in position to help relieve neck and shoulder pains. CoopHome adjustable pillow made of certified safe material foam, free from ozone depleting, CFC and CPF. All these amazing features are even made better and assured by CoopHome Good's 30-day guarantee. It is truly worth every penny you give to get this wonder cervical pillow. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.